Jenny Kirk. We're just here at Bury Bolton Street Station, and well, we were in Bury, so we thought we'd come and have a look. And there's no trains running today, but it's nice just to see the place. In fact, I don't think I've ever been here when the trains are running, because of the nature of my work patterns. I invariably end up getting here on a Monday or a Tuesday, so not really much going on. One thing that did catch my eye is, I don't know what you see over there, the telephone box. It's actually quite an old one. It's probably got a designation. Some anorak will go, oh yes, that's a H22.5. But it's got a post box on the back. I've not really seen one of those before. I can remember being brought here as a very small child. They used to be down there. There's a shed there now. But they used to be standard class 4 mixed traffic 264 tank locomotive, and I think it was a Stanley 8F as well, in pieces, in the stub of the bay platform. And I can remember being brought down here almost every free moment. I think it was probably a Saturday. My dad would bring me down here because he used to work over at the Pilsworth Industrial Estate, and we'd just pop in. And it was always nice to see. I must try and work out which those locomotives were and see, have they actually been finished now? They probably have. I mean, that was a good long time ago. We're down here by the remnants of the bay platform. This is where, many years ago, I can remember there being some locomotives being rebuilt. But now we've got a few Mark 1 BGs, general utility vehicles and the like here. I think there's a shop or something around there that's open when the railway's actually running. But originally these bay platforms, they went all the way up there, and then there was a big main station building, which is obviously long gone and is now a car park. But I like this end of the railway where you can see all of the behind the scenes, the signalling, the junction down there, the signal box, and there's a locomotive sat over there just on the end of that siding, which is it's a class 14, nicknamed a teddy bear, which I believe it's a strange sounding nickname, but it's based on the fact that somebody at the time said of them, because they were built at Swindon Railway Works. First we built the Great Bear, now we build teddy bears. Just spotted this wagon down here at the end of the siding. It's quite interesting. It looks to be an internal user wagon that's come from probably Royal Navy Armaments Depot. You see the RNAD marking down there. But it does appear to have a sliding roof, as well as these cupboard style doors. So I can only guess what it was originally used for. Probably something like carrying either heavy bits of machinery or maybe even things like gun shells for, I don't know, something like 15-inch shells, something like that. I don't really know, but it's clearly in use now as some kind of stores wagon. But yeah, it's just nice to see this side of railway preservation, because all of the big locomotives and the carriages get all the glamour, but I actually prefer the mess at the back, out the back. I think it's quite nice down here. You see the Bury South Junction down there. The signal box is original, but originally there was actually quite a more substantial junction here, because the line you see going off to the left curves and then falls away, and was originally the cord line connecting to Bury Knowsley Street Station, I think it was, with another junction, and where those lines of coaches are, there was a bridge underneath all that, and that was the Rochdale to Bolton railway line, which is sadly long gone. But the line straight on was once the main line. Now it really just goes as far as Works down there, Buckley Street Works. It would have originally continued down all the way down into Manchester. But the Metrolink conversion has taken the use of the line, so I think there is a connection down there, but it's only ever used for engineering work. Anyway, there's not really much else I can talk about. Admire the view, that's what I'm doing. Now go on, sod off. Get back to work or something.